Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make your text appear one by one in Google Slide. So let's go to Google Slide. Now if you want this text appear one by one, just click on this text and you will find three dot icon here. If you don't click on text, you will not find the three dot icon. So if you click on text, you will find the three dot icon. Now click on this and you will find animate. Just go to animate, and this text already chosen like this, it will appear from, just choose how you want it appear from. I want it appear from fly in from left like this. So choosing one, on click. So if I click, it will come from left like this. Now I'm just choosing another second text and click on this add animation. Now if you want to choose appearing system, just click on anything you want. I want this text appear from right to flying from right, so I'm choosing this, on click. If I click on this, it will come from right and it will come from left. So now let's see, clicking on play. After clicking on play, you will see a blank page because of I choose on click. So if I click here, it will, the first this text will come from fly from left. Let's try it. See, it has came from left. The second one, it has came from right. Okay guys, so this is how you can make your text appear one by one in Google Slide. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.